So I've never done a voiceover before, but I wanted to do it for this video, walking you through how I do the strawberry makeup look. I started with the glazing milk and the peptide glazing fluid, as I always do. Then I brushed up my brows and went in with some cream bronzer. Had to make sure that I didn't forget the forehead. Then I went in with some concealer, just a little bit, and blended it out. Then I went in with 2 cream blushes that I mixed together. Can't say where the cream blushes are from, wink wink. Then I went in with a peachy colored highlighter. And then I applied some bronzer to my lids. Then I went in with the freckles. Did some liquid eyeliner, just a tiny little wing. Curled the lashes. Then I did lip liner, kind of buffed it out. Was looking for something I couldn't find. And then I went in with the same 2 cream blushes that were on my cheeks and used that for my lip. Peptide lip treatment. And there you have it.